All right, round three. This is almost 60 grand. This bad boy is. I'd make a phone call. So here we go. We got. One thing about the music, you can cut it out now if it detects it, because they can kind of hear it go your own way by. You put it up, you can take it out. That's when they can monetize. You got to share it, so it's not bad. But Hilltop 75, 1951. All right, not bad. Nice shower. That's a nice shower. I can get in there, but these stairs make me nervous. Oh God. What? So, not bad. All right, let's go back on downstairs here. Let's see, 20. They want allegedly $20,000 of savings. So I don't like these stairs. Kind of the same thing, but not bad. I like that. I like that. Kitchen in the middle. Not bad. I think the TV might be somewhere. I don't know where the TV is, but oh, there it is. There's your TV. Not bad. I just don't like those stairs. What I don't like about going up those damn stairs, so. What I don't like about those stairs, I hate going up those stairs. Alright. Go over here. Here's another one. This one is 94,000. There'll be in there, so. Go Delta. You'll probably pick up this the music, but again, my storage area, I don't need that. Nice bed in here, not bad. Got the TV, not bad at all. 35, nice. All right, let's go over here. This is the 35,000 payments, 297. Huh? Some people in there, so I need to go in there. AC Nelson, good name. Go over here and look at some of this stuff. They don't have Scamp in here. Puma, that's a small one. I like it. 15 grand, not bad. This is like for myself right here. Got your basic bed. I like it. This one's nice. You can sit right here. You can probably have your TV mounted up here or something. Bring it down. Not too bad of a bed. I like it. This is all you need right here. You and the wife pool, nice shower. Like it. This is worth 15 grand. This is perfect to haul around. Again, the Huss has something like this, which she needs. Anybody, you wandering gypsy, or any of the RVers that run around. Not bad. Puma camping edition, nice. I like it. Kind of cool. Very, very nice.
Is that you?
Yeah, it's nice. I like it. I like it. Oh, that big bad boy. 54.98. Oh my goodness. That's a big one. Lowly Cherokee. We got fridge. This is Cherokee says, what is it? 22.998. I think. They said here, I think. But not bad. Again, storage area for me. Bed, it's a little bigger than the other one, obviously. But not bad. There's another one that isn't too bad. A little bigger, more room, but that'd be my storage, my golf clubs, anything else. So interesting. But, nice. But, to the 22.
Who cares? Who cares?
Not bad at all.
You're gonna have your TV hanging there.
This is 10 grand. Okay. Not bad. Oh. Bad at all. But again, my storage area in the corner there. That's for family of 4 you're gonna have. There's a bed over here. Probably the TV somewhere, but not bad. Gotta have something to hang on to as you go down. You're gonna fall on your ass.
This is it, or I can throw in a can of spray paint.
I like that grill right there. That's nice. This is $27,000. Probably the TV right there. Not bad. It's a little extra size. Again, before I buy this one, pull that stuff out. Got the kitchen. Not bad. Hell yeah. So you have 2 entrances, you go in and out. Not bad. Everything's pretty perfect for you. I got a nice storage area over here. Everything in there, my bike, anything you need to be. I know I gotta get it for the family, but for me, not bad. This one's 18,000. Not bad. Smaller one for the family, but still nice. Kids can sleep in there. Not bad. No problem. How's it going, my friend? First day in the sale, huh? All right. Good last name. That's my last name. Perfect. What?
Nelson.
Yeah. Because it took a little while. And I pointed at that. I pointed at that.
I normally have it on this side.
All right. Jesus Christ. Yeah, RV, St. Paul RV Super Show. Right here, man. AC Nelson World. It's 31,000, this one is. I pointed at the name on his shirt of the Nelson. Perfect. Not bad. Not bad of a shower. Nice sized bed. You got storage areas over here. This is a closet, I believe. Yep. Storage, not bad. You get all this stuff checked before you take it anywhere, man. So, I didn't do on that one. But like this, you can grill out over here. Cherokee Black Label. Like the little grill right here. All my omelets on that bad boy. Hopefully go to the sports show, maybe on Friday or Saturday. And then the boat show is coming up too as well, so I guess it goes long, so not bad. Open shitter, bathroom, not bad. I like it. TV should be probably somewhere mounted, somewhere, I don't know, maybe right up here. That's the TV will be mounted right there. You can sit down and relax. Go back into here. This would be my storage area. I don't need all that. So they could probably have a TV behind me right up here. But I'd take this my storage area. Until you can take that out. Order from the factory like that, probably. You know, whatever, I guess. So I don't need all that behavior. Over here, it's 27,000. My goodness. Bad. TV right up in there. Roomy. Nice refrigerator. One open. Got your shitter. You can shower in the shower. Oh, so this one is like, you got a big family, but again, I'd probably take out this storage. You can have this for where else you want to put on here, drawers or something, I guess, but good possibility. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, 22 bucks to park. Free to get in. Every year they have it. First day of it. This, that's 36. Same kind of thing. Pumas. They're all kind of, I like these grills here, so these are kind of the same kind of thing. This kind of comes out, so you can sit out here and relax. I like how that comes out. Kind of cool. 25, 26, whatever. Not bad. Same kind of layout. I mean, you don't need to go in there. But I do like this. This is nice. This is a fun one. That's cool. Nice. Let's go over here. More Pumas. Oh my goodness. Over here.
His arm is killing him.
Only 223 bucks a month if you use it every day. So another Puma. Got the glasses on there. I don't know, I mean, not bad. Up here is looks like a bunk bed for somebody. There's a ladder. I get it from the factory, be open, be my storage area. Again, put a closet in there. So, not bad. Not bad at all. Puma. Puma, Puma. Oh my goodness. Going down these stairs, you break your leg. I don't need to go down. There's some more Pumas down here. This is a Puma Camping Edition. 140. This is 14,000. Not the one I saw. Anyways, not bad. A little smaller. Storage area there. I don't need that. Well, probably the shower and the bathroom. Yep, not bad. I'd buy this one. It's nice. Just my storage area. Anyways, guys, round 3, we're out of here.